Can you move forward more or no? I need to sneeze.
Yeah, I can tell. No, don't wipe yourself in your damn sleeves and then you come hug me, disgusting. Jesus.
Why are your eyelashes like this?
Because I'm not a giraffe. You're like...
Or the cows.
You're literally like cows. Yeah.
You guys are so... And even the bottom lashes are so long. You're so lucky. Wow. Nadine Lustre makeup product.
Stop! Let's get into the video.
Hey guys, it's Yani here.
And Fabio.
And we're back with another video! Today's video, we're gonna be reacting to BLACKPINK.
Oh my god, finally.
Many
Because
of
all
you-
of you commented for months and months and months. Many. Enough with this BLACKPINK.
But can we talk about how they are dominating the world now of music?
They really are. Even my friends back in Italy, they're like, we love them.
I was
and I'm
gonna
like, who
say-
the are they?
I was gonna say that because many of my friends, I thought only Asians love K-pop before, but K-pop has merged into this like pop culture, even the Western culture. They all love BLACKPINK.
This K-pop came like a virus. Like a virus. Like a virus.
I know, my friend, she's Jamaican, she went to BLACKPINK concert and she lined up, and the friend that she made in the lineup is a Mexican. So I'm like, it's not just an Asian thing.
We're just out of the game.
We are out of the game because we haven't listened. Maybe we should give them a try.
Let's give them a try.
Maybe after this video, we are gonna become fans of BLACKPINK.
We'll see.
Well, we rated one of her Instagram. If you haven't seen that, go check that out. We rated Lala Lisa's Instagram, and I can tell that they're talented. So the talent is there.
They can dance and they can sing, that's for sure.
Especially hip hop, like she can dance very well. Why are we not a fan yet?
Because I don't want to be like everyone else.
So I'm excited to watch this video because many have recommended this, and I can't wait to see what the hype is all about. I think the video has 220 million.
220 million?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ!
It's
what?
called Kill This Love music video. You don't even type music video, it's just M/V.
That's it.
That's it.
Oh my god. Okay, let's watch it. Let's see what's that about.
Okay, let's see what the hype is all about. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and
let us know what videos you would like to see next.
yeah.
Because we always read your comments.
Yes.
Maybe
I'm so
we
curious
don't
about
reply
this.
all the time.
Oh, wow, her production.
Their style is insane, I can tell.
Wait. Oh, there's a subtitle, that's good. Yeah! They got sass!
Because they look so cute but they're so aggressive.
They are! Fierce!
Yeah. Oh.
Oh!
Oh no, make up this one.
So they're featuring different stages, different settings. Oh, I like that. I like that. I love that.
Oh wow. Can we recreate this picture?
I feel like they put subtitle because they have so many fans now.
Oh, they must.
Oh, slow motion.
Tomb Raider.
Hey!
Lara Croft, for real.
Oh, I like that dance. Should we cover that dance? Rapapapa. I thought there were 5 of them.
I love that red eyeshadow.
I like it. I like the beat.
I actually like these videos. Very saturated with colors.
Is it a heartbreak song? What is it? I wasn't listening to the lyrics because or reading the lyrics. Fierce. Let's kill this love. It's catchy. It's catchy. Hey. Ram-pa-pam. Oh, that's like a mousetrap. It's a mousetrap.
No, not a mousetrap, it's like a bear.
Why are they so pretty? Why do they all look like Barbies?
But these locations, they're amazing.
Yeah, so I'm curious now how long they filmed the video. Hey, hey, hit,
I mean,
hit,
Maybe it's a
hit.
green screen.
Hey, hey.
Okay, enough.
It's so catchy. Love.
Wow.
Okay.
Well, they know what they're doing. They definitely know what they're doing.
They definitely put a lot of time and effort in this video because there's a lot of
It's like full choreography. Wow,
Yes.
that's a lot.
different colors, different outfits, different makeup, different settings, different headpieces. The song is catchy. I see why. I think I see the craze now. I think I see why people are happy, why people are fans of them.
I mean, it makes you want to dance.
It makes you want to dance. It's
That's
catchy.
why. Even if you don't understand the lyrics, but the beat is like very, very...
It's like bouncy. It's like hey, hey.
Yeah.
And then they can sing and dance at the same time. So not many girl bands nowadays can sing and dance in music videos at the same time. So that's what I'm saying. It's good.
Yeah. I wonder how their concerts are, because they probably change costumes like every 2
Yeah.
seconds.
Oh, they perform in Coachella.
Oh shit, really?
So they were invited in Coachella too.
Oh my god, so they're huge for real.
Were they the first K-pop group invited to Coachella? I'm curious about that. So
Because Beyonce was like, thank you for me
Making
being
me
the
first black woman to headline
guess
Coachella.
What? Guess what, B?
I don't know if they headlined Coachella though.
Oh, we'll see.
Anyway, that's so much fun to watch. Well, I see now why people are fans of them, and I think we will be fans of them now too.
I'm not sure about me. Talk about yourself.
We'll see you all next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.